Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. So today in this exciting sprouting video, I just got some plants from Southern Living Plant Collection that they wanted to send me. So today we're gonna do an unboxing. Before we even start this video, me and Southern Living Plant Collection do recommend you guys check with the local garden center, but they do know some people don't have a local garden center, so they do go ahead and offer some of their plants on their website. So I have some camellias in the back over here that they did send me. So let's actually get right into this video. So guys, here in this box I have the smallest camellia, which is called October Magic Pink Camellia. It's a perpexillion, I think that's how you say it. But the link for this website and where you can get these plants is going to be down below once more. So let's actually unbox this. It's exciting because I never got plants in the mail before. So yeah, so let's go ahead and see what there is in here. But again, a huge shout out for Southern Living Plants, but also Plants by Mail, just because they did like send the plants and package them. I can see something already. And they do work with Southern Living Plant Collections to send everything. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay, I might have to open it from the bottom.
No, it said that you have to open it from this side up.
Which way? This side up. So it's like from the bottom or what? You know what? I don't care. So this is gorgeous. I can already see some things. So the thing I'm actually gonna do is just cut these, right? Just
yeah.
Open. Yeah. But okay, let me go away. How we do this? It's so small. Okay, so cute though. Oh, this is adorable, you guys. Okay, so here's the picture of how they will look like. I'm gonna take.
Of course, you will put a picture up
on the screen for you guys. Okay.
Oh my god.
This is so cute, Naomi. And it has.
I'm kind of surprised that it didn't like break or bang.
Yeah, because on the box it says there's something live in it. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and take the plastic off.
Yeah.
So actually, you guys, let me go ahead and like take the plastic off, and then we'll actually get into how this looks. Here is the camellia. It arrived gorgeous. It's so healthy. Me and Naomi were just talking about how healthy this plant is and how like it came in. But right here, so for this camellia, which is a pink perpexillion, I think, October Magic Camellia, which is that's full sun to part shade. It says here it grows 4 to 5 feet, I believe, high, and 4 to 5 feet wide, and then it's hardy to zones 7 and 9. We are in a zone 10, but they're gonna be in a shaded area. I already could tell. They love real drainage soil, and we have clay soil, so I do have to make a mound, but I will be making videos on each and every single plant that they have. So now let's go ahead and move on to the second one. Oh my god. Once more, thanks, a huge shout out to Southern Living Plant Collection and Plants by Mail. But they also said that they were gonna send me a bag of fertilizer.
Exciting.
So yeah, unbox this one.
And by the way, if you guys hear like noise,
that's Cookie.
That's our dog playing with flies. Oh my.
Whoa, this is huge, you guys. Okay, so where's the tag? Is there a tag? Yeah, okay.
There's gotta be a tag.
So right here, this is the Early Wonder Camellia. It's full. Well, actually, let me take it off of the bed. Okay, so I see my fertilizer in the bottom. Okay. Awesome. I have the same size of bag of fertilizers right here, you guys.
Whoa!
Okay, so right here from Plants by Mail. But you guys, this is okay. This also comes in a slit. Of course, soil has been moved around, but we'll always do that. So let's do ahead and once more and take this out and situate everything. So you guys, we're back. As you guys can see right here, this is how everything looks like. They have their famous container right here. So right here, this is like, it came in so perfectly. There is like like some like little tiny broken branches or leaves, but that's usual, like expected for plants to be arrive. But you guys, this is an insane thing, you guys. And I can already see here there's buds. I can see buds, somewhat buds in here. You guys, this is amazing. And Cookie's fighting with flies again. But yeah, so let me actually bring every single one of the things they sent up for you guys. Oh my goodness. And of course, this one fertilizer. So right here, these are all the plants. So this is, I believe, a 2-gallon size, and this is like a 2.5 quart, I think. And this is, of course, the famous fertilizer, which will be added to my fertilizer collection. You guys, this is surprising. Me and Naomi were like discussing about this in that beautiful foliage type.
Your assistant.
My assistant will say, she said. But there will be pictures on how this one looks like. Of course, I don't know if you guys could actually like go ahead and excuse you, go ahead and like purchase these in smaller size. I don't know, but I will be putting their website down below. Once again, they sell like all different types of things. But yeah, this is wonderful, you guys. Huge shout out to Southern Living Plant Collection. You guys are amazing for working with me and also accepting me as an influencer and sending these plants out for me to try out this year. We do have many future plans for you guys. I promise you that. This is not over yet. And yeah, huge shout out for Southern Living Plants for sending this. Their website is going to be down below, as well as Plants by Mail, which comes with which they sell the fertilizer and they ship the plants out from Southern Living Plant Collection. So huge shout out to every single one of them. Huge shout out to my assistant for helping me with this whole thing, because this was totally unexpected. They told me that they were going to come several weeks. Like I texted them 2 days ago. They said that it was going to come in several weeks, but this does not look like in several weeks, and it's thundering, you guys. So yeah, oh my god, this is like a total shock. But yeah, everything looks to be healthy. I will be watering this in and then putting them in my shade house. This fertilizer will go over there. And yeah, so let's go ahead and wrap this video up for you guys. So guys, that's the end for this unboxing video. Once more, huge shout out for Southern Living Plant Collection for sending the plants, and a huge shout out for Plants by Mail for sending the fertilizer, and as well sending the plants as well in the way of packaging them and carry for them. This means so much to me, you guys. Of course, we do have future plans for you guys, even more in future projects. But yeah, so I do recommend, once you get the plants, I'll recommend that you take the box out and the plastic out for they could get air circulation through the container, and make sure to check any foliage damage, and if they have any damaged leaves, just take those off with clear like a clean pair of pruners. And yeah, inspect them, make sure everything's good. But you do, once more, we do recommend you look at a local garden center to see if they have the plants in stock, but you know the website's always there for you guys. But yeah, so if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you want to miss none of my videos, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when I post a new sprouting video. Once more, huge shout out to Southern Living Plant Collection and Plants by Mail. All their contact info and information is going to be down below, along with my sisters as well. My recent videos is going to be down below as well. Make sure to check this out to keep your garden flourishing and producing for you. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.